Hello, today I would like to show you how to swap keyboard on a Panasonic ToughBook CF-19 laptop computer. This is the unit that I'm using on my field day operation. This is the spare one that I'm using as a source of different components. You can clearly see the antenna cover I already reuse. The problem is with a keyboard, the backspace is not responding, and we are going to use that keyboard as our source. So let's start from opening the working one, I mean the not working keyboard. So it is an extremely simple operation. We are going to undo those 4 screws. So we've got our 4 screw remove. Now we are going to lift that part and that. After removing those 4 screws, we are going to lift the keyboard. We are going to gently pry it from top. There are latch on bottom, so the keyboard is going to be going that way. This is the main compartment that we are interested. We are going to undo those 3 screws. And now we've got access to the connector. This is the flex cable for keyboard. And we have to pry and lift the sides of the connector. Just like that. And it's released. So this is how it looks like after removing. We can go to the second computer and repeat exactly the same process. So that's going to be the broken one. Here is a non-working. Now we are going to pry from top, just like before. And we're going to start also from that way. Okay. We are lifting the connector. Maybe that tool will be better. Just like that. And this is our working keyboard. I'm making sure that it's lifted. I'm going to nicely put it inside. And now press the white external part. Do we have a good solid connection all the way in? Yes, it does. Here we can see the antenna connectors, and everywhere we've got a nice foam protecting the wiring. Here is also a foam. Now we are going to put the keyboard back, just like that, and we are going to secure those elements. Using the black screws. And we've got a perfect keyboard replacement. Now let's make sure that it's working. As you can see, the keyboard is working, the backspace is working, and in like a 5 minutes we were able to swap the keyboard and make our ToughBook computer working again. This is what I like about those machines, because they are rugged, they are built well, they are like weatherproof, but at the same time replacing like a keyboard is a breeze, so no sacrifice here. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.